smoking mini no more. Changed the turbo, changed the drain line from the turbo. That was the issue. The drain line out of the bottom of the turbo went in behind the catalytic converter, and it was swollen. The hole was almost closed, so it would not drain. Put in a new hose. I changed the turbo because I already had it ordered. So, and after a while, with the old one, after a few minutes, it would start smoking really bad. This has been running, I don't know, 10 minutes so far. No smoke coming from up here because we finally burned all the oil out of the converter and the rest of the exhaust, which took a while. Had to drive it a little bit to do all that. And here we are back at the dual exhaust. No smoke coming out. I like it. So, like I say, the real issue was the smoking. The drain hose from the turbo was probably 90% clogged, and the oil could not drain that was coming down, and it would overflow, go out both sides of the turbo, down the exhaust, and out the back of the car. You couldn't see the back of the car. We got it all set up now. I'm going to put a couple new headlights on there, clean it up a little bit, and this will be ready to sell and move on down the pike. I drove it for about, 20 minutes yesterday. Man, is it a good driving car. Wow. You would never think it had 143,000 miles on it. But before me, the guy said he put about $6,000 into the engine. I did see where the timing chain and guides were new on there, and he did some other work on it, or had it done, and he had a new turbo, and if they would have changed that hose, he'd have still been driving it, and I wouldn't have got the deal. So there she is, all fixed up, ready to go to the prom. Give me a call. We could put this car in your garage. Just had a tune-up, oil change, air filter, all that. She is ready for a new home. I am going to put 2 new headlights on there because those are kind of fogged up. Other than that, a little odd and end stuff here and there. I will have it for sale pretty damn soon.